used, for example, we see words that are highlighted, these difficult words at the bottom: strain, a kind, a type, wheat, an important cereal from which people make flour for bread and pasta, craft beer, a beer made in a traditional way. In this level 3 article, they're talking about beer that was made during the time of Jesus. Now that we've read this article, may I ask you first to summarize this article as best as you can? Can you summarize this article?
Use strain.
I want you to try to summarize this article using the word strain, wheat, and craft beer as you talk about the article.
Okay. Okay. Let me think about strain, because strain it's easy because it's a kind of.
Well, here strain could be, it could have many meanings. For example, if beer had particles in it, you could put a cloth over it and strain it so that it could be much purer. Or it could be a strain as in a germ or a disease. A strain is a particular kind, like pneumonia or the whooping cough. Sometimes we have to take penicillin to cure ourselves of some type of virus. So we have a particular strain. All right. So in this story, though, they're talking about a type, a kind of beer, a strain of beer. So let me give you an example. In this article, we see that the people made a strain of beer. They no longer make this beer. We have craft beer now, such as Budweiser, Bud Light.
Yes. For example.
Those are craft beers. But beer
Yes.
is used made of wheat. All right, go ahead. You may speak.
Okay.
Summarize. You're
Yes.
summarizing.
Let me think. For example, Miller, the beer Miller, there is have the brand Miller have a strain of craft beer that I like a lot.
Okay. Now you want to say that Miller has.
Miller has is right.
Yes.
Miller has
a strain.
a strain of craft beer that I like.
I like. So Miller has a strain of beer I really like. Try it again. Miller has a strain of beer I really like. But now I wanted you to use the word craft beer, so it's maybe that Miller Lite is the craft beer. It's a strain I really like. Miller Lite is a craft beer, the strain I really like. Or the strain of beer I really like is made by Miller. It is a craft beer. A craft beer I really like is a strain made by Miller. I like that one better. Can you say a craft beer? A craft
beer
I really like is a strain made by
a strain by
is a strain made
a strain by
is a strain made by
a strain made
by Miller.
Yes, a strain made by
Miller.
Miller.
Okay, a craft beer I really like
A craft beer I really like
is a strain
it's a strain
is a strain
is a strain
made by Miller.
made Miller.
Made by Miller.
Made by Miller. Okay.
Okay.
Made by Miller.
Okay, try it again by yourself. Can you say it? A craft
Okay.
beer I really like is a strain made by Miller.
Again, please.
A craft beer I really like is a
A,
strain made by Miller.
a, a craft beer. Uh, a craft beer
I really like
I really like.
is made by
It is made by. Uh, is
Miller.
made. Is it?
Mill.
It's,
It's
it's
made by
made
Miller.
by a mirror.
Good. So we'll finalize that by saying a craft beer I really like is made by Miller. I forgot to use the word strain. A craft beer I really like is a strain made by Miller.